Good afternoon, dear children. How are you all? Hope all are keeping good health. Children, welcome back in your social studies class. So let's begin the class. Children, in last video, I taught you about two types of houses, Kacha house and Pakka house. Now, in this video, I will teach you about houses according to land forms. So let's begin. So first we understand landforms. Children, there are different kinds of landforms on the earth like hills, river, plain, desert. So children, in these landform, houses are made according to that. For example, in hilly areas, sloping roofs houses can be seen. In river where flood occurs, stilt houses can be seen. In plain, apartments, row houses and huts, etc. types of houses can be seen. In desert, tent kind of houses can be seen. So houses are made according to the landforms. So take out page number 18 in your AVS book. Houses according to landforms. In this portion, we will learn about stilt houses, sloping roofs houses and tall buildings. So let's start with stilt houses. Stilt houses are made where floods occur. Stilt houses. So first we know about stilt. Stilt means kind of poles that support a house. Children, in this picture you can see some houses and the houses have built on the poles or stilt. So they are called stilt houses. These types of houses are seen where flood occurs. These houses are made some feet above from the ground. So when flood water comes, it does not enter into the house and people get safe and dry from flood water. These kind of houses are mostly seen in Meghalaya and Assam. Sloping roofs houses are made where it snows or rains heavily. Sloping roofs houses. Sloping roofs means slanting kind of roofs. These kind of houses are found in the areas where it rains or snows heavily. Children, here you can see pictures of some sloping roofs houses. Here it can be seen clearly the roofs are slanting. So can you think why sloping roofs are made here? Because if flat roofs will be made, then snow or rainwater will collect on the roof and houses will get damaged. So, sloping roofs are made so that snow or rainwater can slide off easily. It is mainly seen in Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and Uttarakhand. Tall buildings are made where space is short. Do you know? Tall buildings are known as skyscrapers. Skyscrapers. Tall buildings are also called skyscrapers or apartments. In this picture, you can see some skyscrapers. These are tall buildings. These kind of tall buildings are made where population is more but the space is not sufficient to make separate houses. In these kind of buildings, so many floors are there, and in each floor 3 or 4 or many more flats are there. So the benefit of these tall buildings are so many people can get house in a same building. Now we will learn about some different types of houses. Some houses are built according to the requirements and they are temporary houses. So let's learn about such kind of houses. So take out page number 19 in your EVS book. Some different types of houses. There are many other types of houses in which people live. So children, some houses are made according to the land forms and some houses are made according to the requirements of the people. So in this portion, we will learn about few of them. So let's start from here. A houseboat is a house on boat. It floats on water. They are mainly found in Kashmir and Kerala. Do you know? A houseboat is called sampan. Houseboat. Children, in this picture you can see some houseboats. Houseboat is a kind of moving house. Instead of road, it moves on water. Houseboat is a house built on the boat, so it can float on water. These houses have all the facilities which can be found in any other house. Tourists love to stay in these kind of unique houses. In India, houseboats are generally found in Kashmir and Kerala. Houseboat is also called sampan. So children, in today's video, we have covered this much portion of the chapter. In next video, we will discuss about remaining part of the chapter. So bye, thank you and take care of yourself.